Hi guys, in this tutorial video I'm going to talk about how to fix the error of launching Call of Duty. So let's go into the video. So open your computer, then on the left hand you can see the Windows option on the keyboard. Press Windows plus R, then simply just delete all the files on this page. Press continue. So simply do the steps which I am doing. Now go to the temp and do the same thing. Okay, now make sure that the graphics GPU driver you are using is up to date. So for that, go to the device manager from the Windows option. So and search for the GPU. So it will be on the display of yeah. So as you can see, my GPU is Intel HD graphics 520. I'm gonna search for automatic update. So yeah. Also, you can do with whatever driver you are using. It can be GeForce, Nvidia, etc., etc. You may just uninstall the driver and reinstall it. So it can solve the issue. Okay, now these were the process. So hopefully by doing these steps will help you to figure out the problem. And one thing you can do is you can just start the game by before opening the game using the double left click, just go to the game icon and just press the left click and try to start the game with administrative. Okay, so this if you don't find the administration process or run as administrator, it's not, it's okay. So for me, if I face this kind of problem, I always uninstall the game and reinstall it. I know there is some hassle, but if you are having a very good internet speed, so I don't think so it's gonna take a long time. So for me, it's better to uninstall the game and reinstall it. So this is the best process, and it's a guaranteed process, and it will be fixed. So this was the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching the video.